Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Ameya, and today we are going to see how to assign different margins for different pages. Okay, so this is one of the special requirement of a specific university, that a chapter introduction or any starting point of a chapter should have a specific margin from the top. So if you see any other pages, the margin is less, that is somewhere around 25-30, but in chapters the margin is larger, that is 75 from the top. Okay, so to make this, it's a simple thing which we need to do at every chapter. So I will show you in a practice sheet which we have created to do the make the same. Okay, so I have these chapters here. I will just copy these sections 2-3 times. Let's say after this I want to copy, then I want to start a new chapter. Say here I want something, and then here I want something. Okay, so we have here two chapters, and now we need to make sure this section is having a different margin and other sections are having a different margin. I will just make one more page at the top. Yeah, just to make sure we have something before the chapter. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we have some margins at the top. Okay, let's say this is table of content. It is having some margin from the top. Then I will delete this, and I want to have a separate margin for this for chapter. It's easy to understand. We just need to understand the concept of page layout. Okay, where you have breaks. Now here we need to understand the concept of break. So wherever you start a new chapter, before that chapter make a page break, first thing. Okay, so start a new page before the chapter. Okay, and after your chapter introduction, make sure you are having a section break which is continuous. Okay, then delete the chapter name. Okay, so if you want to see those breaks, what you can do is you can just go to home page, and this show and hide option is on. Okay, so this show and hide option basically gives you wherever you have entered a new page, wherever you have entered a section break, page break, new page break, all those things it is shown. Okay, so for chapter 1 what I have here is I have a page break here. So this is entirely a different section, and this is entirely a different section. So instead of this page break, what I will do is I will add a section break here. So I will go to layout, breaks, and I will section to next page. Okay, so this table of content is entirely a different section, and this content of my introduction is also the entirely different section. So what I have done is I have made a separate section for this chapter 1 introduction, and then in clicking that specific section I will go to margins, say custom margin, and I change the top margins to 7.5 centimeter. Okay, now what has happened is only this page, because of this section break, top page is having a different margin, this page is having a larger margin, and the next page will not have a same margin because there is another section break here. Okay, so that is what we need to understand. If you want a separate margin for a specific chapter, you need to go for a section break on both the sides of the chapter title. Okay, that is what the important thing is. Now I will repeat the same thing. Instead of page break at the end of a chapter, what I will do is I will insert a section break, section to new page, first thing, and after chapter title I will insert a section continuous break, that is second thing, right? And then you can delete this third chapter getting created, and just go to design, that is a title, and go to margins, custom margins, and make it 7.5 centimeter, whatever required margin you want. Then the design chapter will have a separate margin, and other pages of the same chapter will have a normal margin, which is the requirement for your specific report. So this is how you can have different margins for each chapter first page. Okay, so do try this. If you have any issues, put a comment below the video. We will try to resolve your issues. If you like this content, give a thumbs up in comment. If you share a word about channel with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for joining.